is for fish, for fish, for fish, for fish. G is for grapes, 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 grapes. Good grape. Round and oval shape. H is for hat, a hat, a hat. A is for igloo, I glue, I glue. J is for jelly, 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 jelly. On a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey! Whipple wobble, jelly on a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey! Whipple kite, kite. Fly a kite up into the sky. L is for lion, not a lion. I'm a lion, the lion. Monkey. N is a nest, the nest, a nest. S for orange, 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 orange. P is for piano, piano. Piano. Q is for quill, quill. Get that! R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. S is for snowman, snowman. T is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. V is for violin, violin. I play my violin and sing. I love my violin, la 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 la. I love my violin, la la. W is for wardrobe, wardrobe. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Y is for yogurt, yippee yogurt.
Have yogurt, nice and cold, all different flavors, fruity and bold. Having yummy yogurt will help your bones grow strong. Now it's time to dance around and sing this song. Yogurt, yum.
E is for zoo, zoo. Now we've sung our ABCs, fun is fun, let's sing them along. Letters and sounds in a song. Fun is fun, let's sing with glee, learning letters joyfully.